Welcome to Max class. Now we learn about a new chapter, ratio and proportion. In this chapter, to understand the concept of ratio, to use ratio notation and simplify ratios, to do and divide a quantity into two parts in a given ratio. In this class, we learn about what is ratio and the properties of ratio. In our daily life, we handle lots of situations where we compare quantities. Comparison of our heights, weights, marks secured in examinations, speeds of vehicles, distance travelled, auto fare to taxi fare, bank balances at different periods of time, and many more things are done. Comparison is usually between quantities of the same kind and not of different kind. It will not be meaningful to compare the height of a person with the age of another person. Also, we need a standard measure for comparison. This sort of comparison by expressing one quantity as the number of times the other is called a ratio. So, a ratio is a comparison of two quantities. A ratio is a mathematical expression written in the form of A is to B, where A and B are any integers. A ratio can be written as a fraction. Ratios are mostly written in the simplest form. For example, the ratio 2:3 equal to 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is a fraction form. It is possible to trace the origin of the word ratio to the ancient Greek medieval. Writers used the word proportion to indicate ratio and proportionalities for the equality of ratios. Properties of ratio. Property 1. A ratio has no unit. It is a number. For example, the ratio of 8 km to 4 km is written as 8:4, which is simplified by 2 equal to 2:1, and not written as 2 km is to 1 km. Here 2:1 is the simplest ratio form. Property 2. The two quantities of a ratio should be of the same unit. The ratio of 4 km to 400 meter is expressed as 4 into 1000 is to 400 equal to 4000 is to 400, which is simplified equal to 10:1. Here 10:1 is the simplest ratio form. Property 3. Each number of the ratio is called a term. Property 4. Order of the terms in a ratio cannot be reversed. Ratios in the simplest form. Let us consider a situation. The larger rope is 4 meter long and the smaller rope is 2 meter long. This is expressed in the form of ratio 4:2. And the simplest form of ratio of larger row to the smaller row is 2:1. 4:2 is simplified by 2. We get 2:1. 2:1 is the simplest form of ratio. The cost of a car rupees 5 lakhs and the cost of motorbike is 50,000. This is expressed as in the ratio form 5 lakhs is to 50,000 equal to 5 lakhs is divided by 50,000. We simplified the fraction form. We get 50 by 5 equal to 50:5. 50:5 is further simplified by 5. We get 10:1. Here 10:1 is the simplest ratio form. Simplifying ratios of same unit. For example, 1. Simplify the ratio 20:5. To simplify the given ratio, first we write the ratio in the fraction form as 20 by 5. 20:5. Write in fraction form as 20 by 5. Step 2. Divide each quantity by 5. That means numerator 20 is divided by 5 and the denominator is divided by 5. That is 20:5. 20 divided by 5, the whole divided by 5 divided by 5 equal to 4 by 1. 4 by 1 is the fraction form. We write the fraction form in ratio form 4:1. Here 4:1 is the simplest ratio form. 4:1 is the simplest ratio form. Example 2. Find the ratio of 500 gram to 250 gram. 500 gram to 250 gram equal to 500:250. Write this ratio form in fraction form as 500 divided by 250. And then numerator 500 is divided by 250 and the denominator is divided by 250. We get 2:2 by 1. 2 by 1, the fraction form, write in ratio form. Here 2:1. 2:1 is the simplest ratio form. Example 3. Madhavi and Anbu bought 2 tables for rupees 750 and rupees 900 respectively. What is the ratio of prices of tables bought by Anbu and Madhavi? The ratio, first we write the prices in ratio form. The ratio of the price of tables bought by Anbu and Madhavi equal to 900:750. 900 is divided by 750 is the fraction form. Write the and then numerator is divided by 150 and denominator 750 is divided by 150. We get 6 by 5. 6 by 5 is the fraction form. we write the fraction form in the ratio form. So 6 by 5 equal to 6 is to 5. Here 6 is to 5 is the simplest ratio form. Simplifying ratios of different units. Example 1. What is the ratio of 40 minutes to 1 hour? We have already known 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Step 1. Express the quantity in the same unit. Step 2. Now the ratio of 40 minutes to 60 minutes is 40 is to 60. So 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So the ratio of 40 minutes to 60 minutes equal to 40 is to 60. Write the ratio form in fraction form. 40 is to 60 equal to 40 by 60. And then numerator is divided by 20. Denominator 60 is divided by 20. We get 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is the fraction form. Now write the fraction form in ratio form. 2 by 3 equal to 2 is to 3. Here 2 is to 3 is the simplest ratio form. Students, I hope you all understood the topic ratio and properties of ratio. Thank you.